Hello developers! Once again, welcome to a new 4Devs video. Today, we're going to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows. Follow my steps and learn in detail here on your 4Devs channel. Let's start by visiting for -devs.com.here. You'll find the foundation of this step-by-step tutorial. If not, you can go directly to the official site, postgresql.org, to download the PostgreSQL installation packages for Windows, as I will show you next. Now, go to the file you just downloaded and run it as administrator to begin the installation. Select the folder where you want to install PostgreSQL. Then choose the optional components and define the path where the databases will be stored. The default paths are usually sufficient. Next, set the superuser password for PostgreSQL and configure the server connection port. Review the processes that will run and start the installation. Once the installation is completed, let's verify that everything works correctly by opening the included database manager, pgadmin 4. Now, I will quickly create a new test database. I start the server, enter the superuser password, and proceed to create the database as follows. Excellent developers, we have successfully installed and tested PostgreSQL on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the 4Devs channel for more content like this.